Well, Australian scientists are on the verge of creating an electronic roadmap of the human brain, in a world first for the medical research community. They're asking the federal government for money to make the bionic brain a reality.
It sounds like science fiction.
Her brain kept alive by experimental science.
But it could soon be science fact. Australian researchers are at the global forefront of creating a bionic brain.
It's not science fiction anymore, it's now an emerging reality. We're now at a point where a functional map of the brain is a possibility, and it's only a matter of when.
An electronic simulation of the human brain could shed light on how to prevent and treat mental illness and brain injury.
Understanding what's happening on a cellular basis is pivotally important.
The research is especially important to Noel Noonan. The 87-year-old was diagnosed with Alzheimer's disease 3 years ago. His wife of 55 years, Helen, is his carer. Since then, every day has been a learning curve.
We're doing it as best as we can at the moment, but it's an unknown for me, and I'm...
Unknown for both of us?
No, yes, for both of us, yes.
He welcomes further brain research.
But scientists say in order to make the bionic brain a reality, the government must fund a facility that brings together researchers from different disciplines. That would cost taxpayers $250 million over 10 years.
That will be really great in terms of collaborations, to have one common facility.
In the tight fiscal environment, finding extra cash could prove difficult. The federal government had already pledged extra funding to dementia research before the last election.
$200 million is unprecedented, so I mean this is really a war on dementia, and we are very pleased to be leading.
Noel Noonan remains hopeful of the possibility of a bionic brain. If not for himself, then for the thousands of dementia sufferers still to be diagnosed in the coming years.
I've got my fingers crossed about the future.
Mr. Noonan and a team of world-class scientists alike. Shalila Medora, SBS World News.